the previous video, we talked about Magic Eraser and Magic Grab, two tools inside Canva's Magic Studio that help you remove objects from an image or isolate them so you can edit them separately. In this video, we're going to look at two more powerful features inside Magic Studio: Grab Text and Image to Video. These tools make it easier to extract information from images and even turn static visuals into short, animated videos. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. Choose any canvas size that matches your project. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Upload section and add the image you want to work with. After placing your image onto the canvas, select it and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then click Edit. This will open the editing panel on the left side where you'll find the Magic Studio tools. Let's start with Grab Text. This feature allows you to extract or capture any text that appears inside an image. Once you select Grab Text, Canva will automatically scan the image and detect any text that it can recognize. After the text is detected, Canva will convert it into editable text that you can place directly onto your canvas. This is extremely useful if you want to reuse text from posters, screenshots, or graphics without having to manually type everything again. Next is the Image to Video feature. This tool lets you turn a static image into a short animated video. When you open Image to Video, you'll see two ways to generate the animation. The first option is the quick method, where you can immediately generate a 3-second video based on the image you selected. Canva will automatically animate the image to create a short visual clip. The second option allows you to add a prompt in the prompt bar located next to it. Here, you can describe how you want the image to animate. Canva will then generate a short video based on your description, giving you more creative control over the final result. Once the video is generated, you can preview it, adjust it, and incorporate it into your design or export it for social media or other projects. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! With Grab Text and Image to Video, Canva makes it easy to pull text directly from images and transform static visuals into short animations, giving you even more creative possibilities inside Magic Studio. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.